This is an old Lima, very old Lima, 1980s Flying Banana Great Western Railway in early B or custard and cream colours, which I purchased on eBay as literally a wreck. I replaced all the broken buffers, restored the motor, and I gave it a more appropriate paint job by adding the white areas above the driver's compartments. I'm very fond of these early rail cars, and I wanted one, and when one came along for a bargain price that I could repair, I was absolutely over the moon. I have to say, with extra weight added, the motor serviced and everything else, this is a beautiful model that runs really well. I'll just let it go around and we'll come back around again. I believe Daypol or Helgen re-released a very high quality version of this DMU, and this was a forerunner of many of the DMUs anywhere in the world. Again, for light branch lines, a very attractive model. I'll just pull it over here so you can look at it there at the station. What I did was I restored the paintwork best I could, not by repainting it. I gave it a clean where it was touch-ups needed. They gave them touch-ups. The only actual repainting I did was, again, that white chevron warning area at the front. And I think I paid €15 for this. And I have a rail car that I really wanted, and I'm delighted with it. And it runs beautifully. You can see how I use gloss varnish so as to preserve the model. I don't know, I just like, when I fix up models and I clean them up, I just like putting a gloss varnish on them, just to give them a bit of sparkle and also to keep the paint strong and robust. I'll take it over so you can have a better look at it, pick it up in my hand. You put it over here on this track. I don't know why people are disparaging of Lima. Yeah, it's got things that are antiquated, such as the glazing is not flush on the windows, that kind of thing. But it's just such an attractive model. It's just so well made and robust. It must have taken some serious battering, considering the condition I got it in. I want to show you one more thing I've got for the interurban trolley area. I got this static model of, in the way to light, an Isle of Man electric railway trolley or tram, whatever you want to call it. This section of the layout is static. It's basically made up of models that were static models of American interurbans or European trams. I will motorise some at some stage, but it's really more of a display area. I've started to finish in this area here. Check out the yellow submarine. And I finished the backdrop in the distance. This area here is next to be taken care of. And I've changed some of the track work around here. I've got the turntable working. This is a modified Atlas turntable, and I'm very happy with that. I built a wall around it. I've seen something similar in Germany, and I decorated the turn area by making it look like a cradle, and I used the bridge sidings to just add visual interest. I don't know how realistic this is. Again, I have a toy train set, not a high-class, high-end model railway, and can't complain. It's still the wordy approach track. So, some of the latest updates on Arcadia Junction. I hope you enjoyed that.